Well, I ran into another dilemma. Yeah, I'm not going to use PVC, even though that fits perfectly. I'm not going to use PVC to try to push that on there. More than likely, that's just going to shatter. So, yeah, I got my shop open. Yeah, y'all couldn't see it yesterday, but the Swin sacrificed its seat so I could get a bar to push on that. Honestly, that bike's junk. Uh, we bought that at the tractor show one year, and he rode it, took it, left it outside. The seat never did fit right. So, yeah, I might put it outside of the road and see if somebody wants it. But, or I can use it for scrap metal as I see fit. So, that seat's seen better days. And the bar that actually goes down into it, we had to wrap some galvanized around it so you could tighten it down in there. So I pulled the galvanized off, and this fits perfectly. Now what I need to do is measure how much pipe I need, because it pushes right on the race of the bearing, and I'll probably have to put like a big washer or something up there to push on so that doesn't go inside the pipe. But yeah, that's going to be a project for tomorrow. I'm sitting here listening to the thunder, and I'm going to close up, because even though it's 80 degrees and it's 81 in the shop, but the humidity's off the scale. So yeah, it's just uncomfortable. I mean, it's not hot, but it's uncomfortable. Well, I'll get back with you and see if we can get this bearing pushed on. We're down. That worked. All right. Should have did that in the first place. I know some of you are thinking this power strip is overloaded, but consider I only use one tool at a time, and this really makes it easy to just grab a tool and use it without having to replug it in every time. Yeah, it's interesting watching the green paint disappear and then seeing the white show up under it. And I'm not too worried about getting the white off, but yeah, this green's got to come off. All right, well, yeah, there's still some little detailing. I'm noticing some cracks right here. That's pretty thick metal. My neighbor's got the mule he's going to weld up for me. I may talk to him about this after I finish doing the detail on it. You see the crack there, there, and there. And yeah, I got to get in here and get these corners. But yeah, this piece is done for the main part, and then I'll go in and bring it in the air conditioning and work on the rest of it. Yeah, it's always a challenge to find which way I want to clamp this to start on it. And it looks like this is going to want to go this way. This is pretty thin metal too. Yeah, this piece was singing a song. But yeah, I had to go get more protection. One more side to go. Yeah, I just can't get in the nooks and crannies very well with the big sander. So this one's ready to come in for detail. Let's go into the air conditioning now. Well, I think I'm done with that. And honestly, yeah, the flapper wheel started rounding off, which made it to where I couldn't get in the corners, but that's fine. I've got other tools for that. But yeah, so all this, and it used that much flapper wheel. That's a new one just for comparison. So yeah, a little bit more detailing with the Dremel, and then the next step is going to be sanding. That'll be with the mouse sander, 220 grit, kind of smooth things out a little bit more. And then obviously the last step is clean it, wipe it down, and paint it. I think at the pace I'm going, instead of mounting this and bringing the snow blower in this deck, I may mount this instead and have a snow blower and a sickle bar for this year. I don't know how that would look. Let me know what you guys think. So yeah, I'm going to wrap this video up here because obviously you guys know the drill on the Dremel, and I'm going to have to retool the bench for the sanding operation. Thanks for watching.